Welcome everyone. In today's video, we will show you how to download stickers in the Line app on your phone quickly and easily. This guide will help you access all your favorite stickers so you can use them in chats without any hassle. First, open the Line app on your phone. Next, look at the top right corner of the app and tap on the settings icon. Then, from the settings menu, select Stickers. After that, click on My Stickers. This section shows all the stickers available. Finally, tap on Download All. This will download all available stickers to your device, making them ready to use in your conversations without any further steps. By following these simple steps, you can easily download all your stickers in the Line app and enhance your chat experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips.